Have you ever noticed that the more desperately you try to change something about yourself, the more it seems to resist that change? Welcome to GEM, where we explore life's fascinating contradictions. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing psychological phenomena, the change paradox. Picture this: you're lying awake at night, determined to fall asleep. I must sleep now, you think. I have to sleep. But the harder you try, the more awake you become. This, my friends, is the change paradox in action, where our intense desire to change actually prevents that very change from happening. But why does this happen? Let's break it down. When we desperately want to change, we enter a state of heightened self-awareness. We become our own microscope, analyzing every thought, every action, every moment. This hyper-focus creates tension, and tension is the enemy of natural flow. Think about it like trying to hold water in your hands. The tighter you squeeze, the more water slips through your fingers. But cup your hands gently, and the water stays right where it needs to be. The change paradox appears in countless areas of our lives. The more we obsess about finding love, the more elusive it becomes. The harder we try to be happy, the more happiness seems to dodge us. The more we force ourselves to be creative, the more blocked we feel. But here's where it gets really interesting. The solution isn't to give up on change. It's to change our relationship with change itself. Instead of forcing transformation, we need to create the conditions that allow change to emerge naturally. So how do we work with the change paradox instead of against it? First, practice gentle awareness. Notice your patterns without judging them. When you stop fighting against what is, you create space for what could be. Second, focus on the process, not the outcome. Instead of fixating on the end goal, immerse yourself in the journey of growth and learning. Finally, embrace paradox itself. Sometimes the path forward isn't about trying harder, it's about letting go. Remember, just as a flower can't be forced to bloom, meaningful change often happens when we least expect it. It's in those moments when we stop trying to control everything that true transformation becomes possible. The next time you find yourself struggling with change, pause and ask yourself, am I trying too hard? Perhaps the key to transformation isn't in the pushing, but in the allowing. If you enjoyed this exploration of the change paradox, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to GEM for more insights into life's beautiful complexities. Share this with someone who might be struggling with change. Sometimes, understanding why change is difficult is the first step to making it possible. Until next time, keep growing, keep evolving, but most importantly, keep being gentle with yourself.